In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reverse a video on Snapchat in 2021. This will work on Android and iOS as well. So basically what you need to do is record a video on Snap, which I'll do right now. And there we go. And then once you're done with that, you basically want to keep swiping. You want to make sure to have location filters enabled so that this actually works. And then there you go. If you swipe right there, you'll see that this video is now in reverse. And this is how you can basically reverse a video on Snapchat. And this is the most simple way. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can do it. As you guys can see, it's now in reverse. So yeah, if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. Let me know if it works or if you have any questions about it in the comment section down below. Subscribe for more, and then I'll see you next time. If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.